Stop wasting time. Use Android with MacBook like a pro. Think a MacBook only works with an iPhone? Think again. Even with an Android phone, you can create a powerful setup. It makes your MacBook much easier to use. You'll be able to move files, see photos, manage notes and tasks, send messages, keep your calendar updated, and make your daily workflow smooth, all without messing with cables or switching devices. By the end of this video, your MacBook and Android workflow will feel fast, simple, and like a superpower. First, let's start with file transfer between MacBook and Android using a cable. Open any web browser on your MacBook. Search for Android file transfer. Download and install it like a normal app. This lets your MacBook read files stored on your Android phone. Next, plug your Android phone into the MacBook using a USB cable. Swipe down from the top of the screen. Tap the notification that says charging this device via USB. Select File Transfer. This step is critical. Without selecting File Transfer, your Mac cannot see your phone. Open Android File Transfer on your MacBook. Browse folders like Downloads, Pictures, or Videos. Drag and drop files between your phone and Mac. Use this if you want to transfer large videos, move files offline, or avoid cloud uploads. This method is best for big files. It's faster, more reliable, and works without internet. Now, let's look at wireless file sharing. Open Google Drive on your Android phone. Tap the plus button. Tap Upload. Select the files you want to move. This uploads files so they're available on all devices. On your MacBook, open a browser. Go to Google Drive. Open the files. This is perfect for sharing documents, accessing files anywhere, or working wirelessly. This method is best for documents and photos. It requires internet, but it syncs automatically. Next, Photos and Media Sync. Open Google Photos on your phone. Tap your profile icon. Tap Photo Settings. Turn on Backup. All photos will upload automatically. On your MacBook, open a browser. Go to Google Photos. Sign in with the same account. Scroll through your photos. Download any photo if needed. This lets you access photos anytime, free up phone storage, and avoid cables. Next, Notes, Tasks, and Reminders. Install Google Keep on your phone. Open the app. Take a note, type your note or checklist. Your notes sync instantly across devices. On your MacBook, open a browser, go to Google Keep, sign in with the same account. You can view notes while working or edit notes on a bigger screen. Now, Calendar and Events. Open Google Calendar on your phone. Tap the plus button. Tap Event. Add title, date, and time. Tap Save. Your schedule stays synced everywhere. On your MacBook, open a browser. Go to Google Calendar. Sign in with the same account. You can see meetings while working and edit events easily. Next, Messages on your MacBook. Open Messages on your Android phone. Tap on your profile picture. Now tap Device Pairing, then tap How to Pair. Switch it to QR pairing. Next, move to your MacBook. Open any browser. Go to messages.google.com/web. You'll see a QR code on the screen. On your phone, scan that QR code to pair the devices. And here's what this does. Once it's paired, you can send and receive SMS directly from your MacBook without touching your phone. Clipboard, links, and quick sharing. Open WhatsApp or Telegram on your phone. Send a message to yourself. Open the web version on your MacBook. This moves links, text, and small files instantly. It's fast, needs no setup, and works immediately. Browser and password sync. Install Chrome on Android. Sign in with your account. Open Chrome on MacBook. Sign in with the same account. Bookmarks, passwords, and history now sync automatically. Browsing is seamless, passwords autofill, and it's secure. Here's a real-life workflow. In the morning, create tasks on your phone. Open them on MacBook. During work, receive messages on MacBook. Access files and photos instantly. In the evening, review notes and calendar. Prepare for the next day. This is how everything connects together. Troubleshooting tips. If your phone isn't detected, unlock it, select file transfer, or try a different cable. If files don't sync, check your internet connection and confirm you're signed into the same account. If messages stop working, repair your device and refresh the browser. So, yes, MacBook and Android can work together smoothly. You can share files, photos, messages, notes, and your calendar without switching devices. If this guide helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment which part of your setup you want optimized next.